So we're heading upriver. Just left. Officially just after low tide, but it must be like the River Elba. We've still clearly got flow against us. It's getting really beautiful. We nearly stopped back there. There's a dock that we could have stopped at, but it was full. And we decided to keep going, and so pleased we did, because it's beautiful now. The sun's just going down behind the hill. Time for some dinner.
We've voyaged up the Guadiana River that lies on the southern border between Portugal and Spain to explore the rural tranquility of the upper, for us, navigable reaches beyond the village of Alcutim. The river here gets narrower and the landscape hillier and crisscrossed with delightful walking trails that we want to spend some time exploring.
The colours in this rock and textures, it's marvellous.
Hi all, I'm Tony and this is SV Tapatya. She's a self-built J. Benford designed 31-foot 8-inch sailing dory with a junk schooner rig. I built her myself over a period of some 6 years in my backyard and documented the entire build in season 1 of this channel. After 2 months of sea trials in Denmark, we launched again in early 2024 and have since sailed well over 2,000 sea miles to southern Spain. This channel is all about the adventures of the boat and to see what can be achieved with a low-budget, self-built sailing vessel such as this.
We're looking at my anchor chain, and this is basically every morning I come out and clear all this clutter off of it, get the boat hook, and free all of this lot off. Like that. All of this lot got that over here. Until it's clear like that.
After an initial couple of days at anchor in the river, we headed further upstream to the little village of Puerto de la Laja, where there's a dock where boats can moor free of charge and get easily ashore onto the delightful walking trails. Time for a bit more exploring, eh?
Yeah.
Have a little walk.
Yeah.
See what we find. Starts with some uphill stuff, this one. They often do, don't they? Here we go. It's well laden. Starting to ripen up as well. Yeah. Lovely little picnic and some rest place there.
Yeah.
Clearly someone's had a little fire there at some stage.
Oh yeah.
And, nice. I think I've learnt what Spanish for tunnel is.
They might have been nice enough to put it in the English language.
I don't think so. I reckon that's Spanish for tunnel.
And there it is.
Oh, this is exciting. Birds seem to like it, innit?
Swans.
Hmm. Yeah, all natural rock. Apart from the start and end.
You see that?
Yeah, oh, it's beautiful, isn't it? Look at this little place. It's lovely. They really have made an effort, haven't they?
Yeah, it's actually really cool.
It's wonderful.
So
Bridge is beautiful.
cool, the bridge.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Wow.
Look at that.
So cool.
It's a spring. Fuente Los Pocitos. And I guess when I press that. No, I don't guess. Well, no, doesn't seem to work to me.
Oh, maybe it's dried up.
Yeah, maybe. A standing stone. Open the door. Let's see what's in there. Oh,
Oh,
there's
that's
a well. Oh, right, there's a well.
Oh, there's a little lizard on there.
There's a yeah, couple of little lizards in there.
Maybe you can turn this
Yeah.
and then the spring will.
I suspect it comes, maybe.
Because that looks shut.
Isn't that lovely?
It is.
Lots of herbs around and about. I'm not sure if it's oregano or lavender. You'd think, no, it doesn't smell like lavender to me, but it sort of looks more like it. No, that might be lavender. That might be lavender, that one.
Scorpions away.
Yeah. That's beautiful. So here's our turnaround point.
Yep.
Beautiful rock structures here. And we've done just over 6 kilometres, haven't we? So we turn around and go back. It'll be whatever, 12.5 or so. Just had an apple each and half a mandarin, slurp of water. Now it's time to go. Just come up the trail for evening meal. And it's all cold stuff. Basically, you know, some tacos, some very simple tacos, and apple and yogurt as dessert. A couple of beers. Hazel's made a salad. Should be nice. And it's a brilliant spot. There's a little picnic spot they've laid out here in the little quarry thing here. Beautiful, isn't it? And there's the lazy river in the evening. A couple of boats come in on the jetty today. It's a bit busier down there. And the old town, lovely. Look at that sky as well. The colours. brilliant. Listen to them cicadas.
And on the day she was kissed by the sun, head thrown back, taking it in, a new day has begun.
It's a fairly dry stream.
Still going
So out on another walk. This one's a smaller, more rugged trail. You hear me a bit out of breath from the ruggedness of it all. It's a wonderfully beautiful trail along the riverside, heading upriver.
It's also like 4 o'clock in the afternoon. So
It is, although the hottest time of the day is supposed to be 5, so as usual we've timed it perfectly. Yeah. And we found this. It says, to translate, letters make words, words make phrases, phrases build ideas, and new ideas can, don't know what that word is, the world. Change the world, I'm going to guess. And it says in capitals, for a world without violence of war. Yes. Well, it's a little bit blustery today. We've been, last few days we've been on this free dock, which is absolutely wonderful, with its old buildings behind us, beautiful walking paths all around. But as you see, the current is flowing out of the river, and it's a southerly wind. Obviously it's not just Tapatya that's pitching. We're all at it. Put an extra fender in down here. Try and buffer that. It's going well. This Hazel. How's it going? It's a bit wavy, isn't it? Oh, like, you know, clearly not big waves, but makes it a little uncomfy. Quite useful as tow rail, isn't it, with all the holes in it, so you can put fenders anywhere you like. Well, it really is very lovely up there, so rural and tranquil. The walking trails are delightful, the river's lovely, small villages, beautiful. It really is a very, very nice place to spend a few days, a few weeks, a few months. There are clearly boats up there that are spending a lot longer than that up there. There are people offering mooring services up there where they'll keep an eye on your boat, so there are possibilities to stay there for longer periods of time. And indeed, we are looking for somewhere for our winter mooring, and we'll be moving on from there because our goal is to get a bit further into the Bay of Cadiz for our winter mooring. But that's it for this week. Thank you for watching. As ever, an enormous thank you goes out to the lovely people who support us via Patreon and PayPal and make this whole video making possible. We'll see you next time. Bye.
You
Yeah.